Here's how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix WhatsApp voice message problems. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, just go to your settings and just simply swipe to bottom until you see apps. Just go ahead and press on apps and then just scroll down a bit until you see WhatsApp. So you just got to find the app itself. And here we are, and just be sure that your microphone is turned on. So if your microphone is turned off like that, just basically make sure that your microphone is turned on. And once you've done this, just check if it's working good. If it's not, just go back and make sure you go to Bluetooth after that, and just be sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. And yeah, just turn off your Bluetooth just like mine was turned on. And what this happens is sometimes your phone automatically catches to other devices or other headsets which got like built-in voice mic in them. So they're far, but you're trying to use your voice mic, but like you can't. But this could be a problem for, like for a lot of factors. Just make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on off, I said. So, but yeah, just make sure your Bluetooth is turned off, and just gotta check it out. And if it's still not like fixing or doing anything, you just gotta make sure to check other apps and to send a voice message on other app, and it's sending like clearly. And there must be a problem with your WhatsApp. If it's not there, then it's gonna be your mic problem. But yeah, these are all the fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp voice message problem on your iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.